What's the best filter for traveling when you don't know the water quality?
If you're on the road and you don't trust your drinking water quality that's coming out of the tap, then honestly, I would go and buy some bottled water. That's what it's there for. It doesn't have to be a long-term solution, but it is a great short-term solution. If you're somewhere where the water quality looks really sus and you're not able to buy bottled water, then what I would do is consider some kind of disinfection system first and foremost. You're not going to have chlorine on you, but you might have iodine tablets. You can carry around a UV pen. There's other kinds of biocidal coated filtration media that you can pack away in a travel backpack. And these things will work great. It'll stop you from getting sick. It'll kill pathogens and other bacteria. And that's your biggest priority if you don't have access to bottled water and you're on the road or you're camping. Still have some questions about your drinking water? Don't be afraid to drop us a comment below, or you can go to our blog at mytapscore.com. We have tons of great questions and answers there for you. Either way, we will catch you next time.